Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandhya Singh here, and today I'm gonna share with you very simple DIY recipe to remove your dandruff naturally without any negative reaction. This recipe has many benefits, but before starting with all that benefit, let's begin with the video to know how to make that DIY recipe and what ingredient you are going to need for that. For this DIY, you need some coconut oil and a lemon. Here I am taking 1.5 spoon coconut oil because it is in solid form. So I'm gonna melt this in microwave, and here is my melted coconut oil. In this, I'm gonna add 1 lemon. You need to add fresh lemon juice. Mix them both well, and yes, it's ready to apply. Besides treating dandruff, it has many other benefits. We will discuss them later at the time of hair massage. Oh yes, one more thing I like to share with you, that I am already having little bit oil in my hair because I did straightening a day before, and after straightening I always do hair oiling. I didn't get time to do proper heavy oiling, so what I did, I quickly take some oil and just put it like this on the top of the hairs, and yes, I'm done. So basically oil is on my hairs, only on the top of my hairs, not on my roots, so don't worry, my roots are plain, they have nothing. So let's begin with this lotion. This mixture stimulates hair growth and also remedies hair loss. The vitamin C found in the lemon juice also strengthens the hair. For best result, the scalp massage should be done regularly. Coconut oil and lemon together stimulate hair growth, and it's also prevent graying of hair. Lemon deals with itchy scalp. It also prevents hair thinning. It makes your hair thick. It makes your hair soft and shiny. And lemon also protect the hair from the sun harmful UV rays. After wash, it will left very mild fragrance in your hairs, which makes you feel refreshing. It also deep cleanse your scalp, and you will sense like yes, your scalp is really clean, and you will feel something is happened to your scalp, like something new happened to you. It makes my frizzy broom kind hair somewhat looks like hair, moisturized, shiny, detangled, soft, silky, which I really like. The afterward result of this mixture is just amazing. I just love to do it, and I hope you will also continue this, try this at least once. So in overall, this mixture help you to deal with your all hair problem, and it is super affordable as well. It is easy to make, and it's super fast to make. You can make it at home anytime, but you need to use coconut oil only, or otherwise you can use olive oil. If you are dry scalp person, then you can use also olive oil, but I don't think that you should go for any other oil except the olive oil and the coconut oil. If these two oil doesn't suits you, then you can go for your suitable oil, whichever suits you. So do this remedy twice a week. Massage this mixture onto your scalp, fill your roots with this lotion, and yes, see the magic. If you want, you can leave this lotion overnight, or you can keep it only for 2 hours. If you want, you can also apply this on the length as well, like I do. I like to apply this on my length and at the end of the hairs. It really help my hair tips, hair ends to be moisturized, to be shiny throughout the day, which I really liked. But you need to be regular with this if you want really amazing results. Okay, don't forget to wash off the mixture using mild shampoo. Do this twice a week. Massage it well, and then leave it at least for 2 hours or for overnight, and yes, it's all done. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with application method, and my hairs are already shining, which I really liked. I just love afterward result of this DIY. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. If you have any request, any query, and if you want to take any suggestion or any advice if you want from me, then let me know in the comment section. I will be back soon in couple of days. Till the next time, take care. Have a very nice day. Bye bye.